Hi everybody, my name is Joel from Bright Culture. Today I'm going to teach you how to balance redox half equations, right? The method. So altogether there are two different kind of medium, an acidic medium as well as in basic medium, okay? So let's do the more obvious one or the more common one, which is the acidic medium, okay? So take a look over here. So this is in the acidic medium. Okay, so for example, let's say a very classic one is your manganate 7 ion, right? Manganate 7 ion. Okay, wait, I should create more space. So let me write it here. Okay, in acidic medium, you must know or memorize that it reduces to become Mn2 plus. Okay, so remember step number one is to balance the oxygen using water. Okay, so first step, balance oxygen using water. So you add 4 H2O. Okay, second step, you balance the H using hydrogen ions. Okay, so that side there is 8 hydrogen, so I add H plus, ion, remember. Okay, and finally we balance the charges using electrons. So on the left side there is 7 charge, right, plus 7. On the right side plus 2. So we need to add 5 electrons here. Okay, and double check again. So overall charge here it's plus 2. Overall charge over here 8 minus 7 minus 5, so also plus 2. So this is done. Okay, now and then of course in the basic medium, right, how do we balance? Okay, let's say in the basic medium, basic medium. Okay, so same thing, MnO4 minus, but we need to know it becomes MnO2. Okay, so in the basic medium, MnO4 minus will be reduced to form MnO2, which is a brown precipitate. Please take note. Okay, and the process is like that. Same thing, balance with water, 2H2O, because there are 4 oxygen on the left, so we need to have 4 oxygen on the right. Same thing, balance with H plus. So 4H plus here. Okay, so this process up to now is still the same, but because it's in basic medium, we cannot have H plus, right? We need to put OH minus. So the new step is to add 4 OH minus on the left, but must be fair, 4 OH minus on the right. Okay, so because of that, right, we know that this part over here, 4 H plus and 4 OH minus, I can cancel and become 4 water, right? And we balance the water. There are 2 here, so we put it to 2 water. We net off. Okay, and finally we balance the charges on the left and right. So on the left side minus 1 charge, on the right side minus 4. So I add 3 electrons. Okay, and finally we double check the charges again. So minus 4 on the left and minus 4 on the right. That's all. So it's not difficult, right? A lot of students skip, and then once you skip this, there's a problem because more concept, you need to use all these equations. Okay, so please take note of how to balance the half equation in the acidic as well as in the basic medium. Okay, goodbye.